Hi friends, it's Katie and welcome to my bathroom. Excuse the echo. I wanted to show you the blush that I'm wearing today. Well, I haven't got it on yet, but I'm going to put it on so you can see what it looks like and see if you feel it's going to work for you, and I think you're going to love it. Because I've developed this shade with another makeup artist called Daniel Sandler, and it's in his watercolour blush range, but it's exclusive to Beauty and the Boutique. So I'm very excited to have it. And perhaps you've already tried it, but if you haven't, I think you're really going to love it, because I've developed it for people that don't like to look like they're wearing blush, but still want the definition to their cheekbones and the lift to their complexion. So it's a very natural, neutral shade. I give it a shake because it wakes up all the little glistening particles on it. But when it's on your cheeks, as you move, the light is going to hit your cheekbone and it's going to make your cheekbones look more lifted and kind of give it that look like you've had just loads of facials and your skin looks beautiful. People will ask what you've done to your skin when you wear this. So I will put a little drop on the back of my hands, like so. Dab it with my finger, and then what you're going to do is smile. Sorry, I apologise, I'm not looking at you when I'm doing this because I'm looking into the camera. So you're going to smile, go on the cheeky bit here, just down from the pupil, dab, and then quick circular motions up towards the top of the ear here. Now, this can look very, very subtle as you like, but you can also build up the intensity like I like to do. So I've put one layer here, and you can see already, just with one layer, you've got this beautiful sheen going on. It's really going to emphasize your bone structure and just make your complexion look like you've had just loads of lovely facials. Tap on again, and it's the sort of color that, you know what, you can't go wrong with it. So you don't have to worry that you applied it wrong, because it just looks like part of your complexion. Now, you can see already how this side of my face is just looking more lifted and just a bit more sculpted, because sometimes, you know, when we don't put any other colour on our face, it needs that extra bit of oomph just to bring out, kind of make it look a bit more sculpted, lifted, and just more defined. Now also, I'll put this on my eyelids. You don't have to do this, but I think this colour looks really lovely on eyelids. And you'll notice as well, it gives the eyelids a sheen. So when you have a sheen on your eyelids like this, it's going to make your eye colour pop and bring attention to the iris of your eyes. I also don't have to do this step either, but you can dab it over your lips. Perhaps you're already wearing lipstick, or if you're not wearing lipstick, just dab it over the top, and it just gives your lipstick on your lips a very delicate sheen. Check, I haven't got lipstick on my teeth. But without looking like you've got gloss on, or the feeling of gloss if you don't like the feeling of gloss. And I just dab this in the middle, so if you make more of a sheen in the middle of your lips are going to look a little bit more fuller as well. So I will quickly do the other side and then I'll show you the finished look. If you want to find out more about this blush shade Glow, which is exclusive to my store Beauty and the Boutique, then you can click the link below and I show you a full how-to. And I also tell you a lot more about it. I think you're really gonna love it. I shall see you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.